I'm going to show you step by step how to sell your digital products using Stan Store, and it's simpler than you think. To sign up for your very own Stan Store, head over to www.stan.store. You can start with a 2-week free trial. That's right, no commitment right away. Okay guys, so I already have a store here. I am on my 14-day trial. So in order to get access to the 14-day trial, you must enter your billing information. Okay, so during the sign-in process, it will ask you to do so. So we are on the home page of Stan Store, and as you can see here, it basically gives you an overview of all the activities on your page. So you can see activities from the last 7 days, 14 days, and even up to the last month, right? So when you go into my store, so I'll just briefly go through each item on the side here. So of course, here is where you're going to design your store. We'll get back to this. And the income is basically where you will see, you know, the amount of money you have. You will actually be able to see the amount that Stan is holding for you. And so you have your cash out, etc. And you're going to have your customer information. As you can see, we'll see that in another tab. When you go to analytics, of course, you'll be able to get a good amount of information here. There's store visits, the leads from your lead magnet, and you know, the pages that's viewed and what buttons were clicked on and where the traffic came from. So you get a ton of information from the analytics. Then you go to audience and you get all your customers information, the purchase information, etc. And of course you get the emails as well. Okay, so when you go into more in the Stan apps, you can do a good bit amount of stuff here. You have funnels, you can create email flows, referrals, and appointments. Then you have Ask Stanley. So Ask Stanley basically is a chatbot that Stan has, and you can basically ask it anything. It's a pretty cool little tool. So now we have the settings, and in the settings we have all the billing information. Now we'll go back to my store. So my store, I already started to do some changes here, and what we will do is go into edit design, and we have a few designs here. I don't think it's a lot, but it's a good bit. I like this pink, so I will select this one, and of course you can change it to fit your brand color if you have brand colors, and of course if you have font, you can change it here as well. And then click save. So we're going to go back to store. I already have a picture here, but if you like, you can change the picture and insert the logo, right? And you also can put a display here, display name. I'll just put my business name here, Instant Rights, and a bio, so you can put some information about the store. And of course, you can put your social link, of course. Okay, so I hope this works. Right, so we have one here. And of course, let's go back in here and show you, let me show you that you can add more social links inside here as well. Okay, so we have that. Now we will add a product, right? So we can add so we have new section, and we can add a product. So in the new section, we can edit this section, and we can call it let's say PLR digital products, and click save. Then we'll add a product over here. Let me just give you a brief rundown. So basically, if you offer a free ebook or cheat sheet, you can collect emails here. Or if you have a lead magnet, you can collect the emails in the Stan Store. Right. So basically, you can offer some sort of paid or coaching or one-on-one service or so forth, and persons can book a time here with you. And we also have e-courses. So this will allow you to create multiple courses with modules, videos, and course materials with ease right here. And we have webinar. So basically you can host exclusive coaching sessions or webinars effortlessly with the Stan Store. It also integrates with Zoom and Gmail to send out automated calendar invite. And we also have the Stan affiliate link. So basically, you know, you can get a little 20% cut when someone sign up for the Stan Store through your link. And of course, sell a digital product. This is what we will be choosing because we will be selling digital products. Then you have the custom product. So the custom product, if you offer customizable products or audits or anything like that, Stand Store basically have you covered. Okay, so what about memberships? If you offer a membership, right? Or if you want to offer a membership, you can set up recurring payments with Stan Store's subscription option or use a recurring membership feature for other membership types like premium WhatsApp groups or email subscription. So basically you can use that. And of course, external links, it have that. So you can even add external links similar to what the competitor has, such as Milkshake and Linktree offer, right? So Sansa will have you covered for all these. Let's select digital product, okay? So the digital product, what we will do, this is very easy and straightforward. So I will just choose an image here, and I'm going to choose an image from my desktop. So you can crop this down if you want, but I will leave this as is. So there are different type of displays. You can display it like that, or you can just do a button style. I don't like the button style. I just like the big display. Okay, well, this will work. Yeah. So this will be fine. Then, of course, we're going to put a heading. I already have the information for that pre-created. So let me just plug them in. Okay, so you can even change the text for your download button. So we're going to leave this as is for now. And we're going to go to edit checkout page now. So in the edit checkout page, basically, we can put a heading here, bridal shower game. We can go ahead and choose an image again, which will be the same image, and crop. Oh, no. I'm going to go back here and make that change. So we're going to leave this as that. Then we're going to edit out the information here. Right, so we have inserted the information. So basically it will allow you to connect PayPal or Stripe. So this is very good. So you can use PayPal or Stripe, right? And the bottom title, we wouldn't put any title at the bottom. We'll just leave it as is. And checkout call to action, purchase now. I'm gonna leave that, and that's it basically. So basically you can put the upload file, or you can use a link. Okay, so basically this is information. This is the product that a person will get. Let me show you how to get the link first. So basically you get the link over here, you copy the link, right? So basically what the person will receive is a document like this, right? And this is what you can probably create in Canva, simple and easy. And click here for your product. So, and then you click on it, and then you can easily insert the link, right? I showed you how to get the link, so you put the link. But in this case, since this is for demonstration only, right? We will just use the link that I copied straight from Canva. Okay, and now we have everything, so we will just click on publish, right? So our product is live, right? So you can add another section, simple like this, and we can rename the section. So edit section. Okay, so book a one-on-one coaching session with me. Okay, so in this section, we'll add a product, and the product is, let us book the one-on-one, right? So we'll add this. And it will be, I really like to see this. Basically, it will show them instantly when I am available. Okay. I think this will work best if you are always booked or constantly being booked. Okay. And there, your time is pretty limited, right? So we'll leave everything as is for now. Let us insert an image. So you can also search for an image. Okay. So we'll search. We got something like calendar, and we will use that. Perfect. Right. So we will edit the checkout page. Okay. So we will leave this as is and continue. Work one-on-one with me. Book a call. We're going to leave this as is. Okay. And of course, you have the upgraded section, and I will go through the pricing later. So you're going to publish this, right? So basically, these are our two items, and yeah, so this is how they look, and this is already public. So this is the link here. You can click on the link, and this is how it will look on a desktop. Okay, and you can book something here, click on the time, right? Enter your information, and you're done. So basically over here is for if you want to know how it would look on your phone. This is the preview of the phone version. So now let us look at the costs. of everything. So guys, so basically all of these incredible features come at an affordable price. The creator account is just $29 a month. But wait, there's more. For $99, right, a month, with the Creator Pro service, you unlock even more amazing features, including the Stand Store email flows for automated sequences, the funnel builder for creating seamless customer journeys, the order bump to boost your sales, payment plans for customer convenience, limited quantity, and discount codes to drive urgency, affiliate links so your customers can promote your product and earn commission. So now, before we wrap things up, let me share what I like and dislike about Stand Store. Okay. So I love that you can try it out before making a commitment. It's user-friendly, offers a smooth checkout process, and allows for a customizable storefront. However, it doesn't support physical product sales yet, which I believe could revolutionize online shopping. Plus, it currently integrates only with MailChimp for emails. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to selling your digital products with Stand Store. If you found value in this video, please hit the subscribe button. It means the world to me. If you're unsure about what to sell on Stand Store, consider starting an ebook. Check out our video on ebook ideas and writing tips. Thanks for watching and start your Stand Store journey today. Bye.